Welcome to Dipansh video time. And now in this episode, why is it this episode? Because I am starting a new series. And in this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a scrolling platformer game on Scratch. So let's get started. So first you can make your own level with your own spikes and then just an end portal in the last. Now you have to make a new costume and then just make it a simple red circle. Now, why am I making this? As you can see in my simple level, this is very big, so it won't allow us to put it in the size we want. That's why we are putting that. So add a when green flag click block, switch casting to size, set size to 300%, and then you can switch costume to costume 1. So it will be looking like that. Let's go into the player sprite and then add a when green flag click block. Let's make two variables called xvel for x velocity and then yvel for y velocity. Then new variables called scroll x and then make another variable called scroll y. Click OK. Then just set these variables to 0 on the start and then add a forever loop. In this forever loop, let's make a block called platforming scripts. And then click run without screen refresh and then click OK. Put the platforming scripts block in the forever. Now in this platforming script, let's put in a change yvel by -1. By -1. Okay. And then let's put in two if blocks, checking for key left and key right arrow pressed. And then let's put in a change x by 1, so change xvel by -1 for the left arrow. And then change xvel by 1 for the right arrow. Okay, now after that, let's put in a set xvel to xvel times, let's say 0.8 for now. And then change x by xvel. That should make our player move. And yep, it does. Okay, great. So now let's add if block for checking of touching color block. So touching color of black. Change y by 1. Then let's just duplicate this and put the next one inside it. Duplicate these two and inside it. And then duplicate these two and then inside it. You should have at least 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 of them. So in the last one, put it to -7. So because The last it's 8, so yeah, -7. Okay, after that, change x by x times, so x will times -1. So now if we just check it, yep, we can't like go through it. So that's good. Now let's add an if else block and then another one inside. So here let's put, so in the top let's put in a key up arrow pressed, and then x well is greater than 0. Then we will set x well to -10, and then we will set x well to 10, and also we are going to be setting y well to 10 also. Let's just set it to 15 for now, and then we'll put a set x well to 0. So bam, 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 bam. Okay, that's great. Now let's just check. Okay, everything is working till now. In the end, let's add a change y by y well. That will make it fall down. Then let's put an if block. And in this if block, we are going to be putting a touching color block for black. So if touching color black, then I will change y by y times -1. So if we put a y well times -1, and then let's set y well to 0, so we will stop falling down. So we can just put it like that for now. Okay. So now in the player sprite, let's add a change y by -1 block that will make it go down a tiny bit only, so it touches the ground. Then we will put in a if block with an and. So if touching color black and key up arrow pressed. So if we take out the touching color black, then it will be like a Flappy Bird game or something. So if touching color black and key up arrow pressed, then we can set y will to 15. Okay, so good. Now our platforming scripts are working. We can just put a change y by 1 again over here. Now to make it scroll, put out change scroll x and change scroll y blocks. Put times, and on the right of the times add a -1. And then let's put x position times -1, and then y position times -1, and then put a go to x of 0 and a y of 0. In the ground add a forever go to x of scroll x and a y of scroll y. Just like that. So now, as you can see right over here, now we will need to set a position for our scroll x and scroll y. So as this is 5 to 3. Let's just make it go right over there and see what's the position. So when scroll X off, so let's just also set scroll Y. So a scroll X of 706 and then scroll Y of 278. Now see, this looks like a scrolling platformer. So good. Meet me in the next episode where we are going to be adding danger. Bye and meet me in the next episode. Thank you.